Hello everyone, welcome to BioKnowledge. Today I will discuss about the endocrine glands. What is endocrine glands? Endocrine glands are the glands which are situated in the human body which have the secretions like hormones, and the hormones secreted directly to the blood without any duct, that is called endocrine glands. Then what is endocrinology? Endocrinology is the branch of science which deals with the study of endocrine glands. Now we have so many questions in our brain, like what is endocrine glands and what is exocrine glands. There are two types of glands, that is exocrine glands and endocrine glands. Exo means what? Exocrine glands means the glands which have pipe like duct to secrete something like enzymes, that is called exocrine glands. And what is endocrine glands? The glands without any duct and secretions are directly mixed to the blood without any ducts, and the secretions are called, inside the endocrine glands, the secretions are called hormones. Then we will discuss about the types of endocrine glands. These are the different types of endocrine glands in human body. Then what are these? First one is hypothalamus, second one is pituitary glands, third one is pineal glands, fourth is thyroid gland, fifth parathyroid gland, then thymus, pancreas, adrenal gland, then testis in male, ovary in female. So what is the functions? First of all, what is the function of hypothalamus? Hypothalamus is also act as a commander like activity. Then what is the functions? The hypothalamus always commands the pituitary gland to secrete all the hormones from the pituitary gland. That's why it is called the master or commander of the pituitary gland. Then coming on to the pituitary gland. Then what is pituitary gland? Pituitary gland secretes about 9 hormones to different parts of the body of human body. Pituitary gland also known as the master gland of human body. Why it is called master gland? Because it secretes maximum number of hormones like thyroid stimulating hormone, growth hormone, oxytocin, ADH hormones, melanocyte stimulating hormones, like etc. Then coming on to the pineal gland. Pineal gland is the gland which is situated behind the pituitary gland, that also helps in our biological clock maintenance. Then what is biological clock? Pineal gland is also known as the biological clock of our body. Clock helps in the knowledge of time. Like that, the biological clock helps to maintain our day and night timing. That's why it is called the biological clock of human body. Next, coming on to the thyroid gland, which is situated below the brain inside the neck region, that is called thyroid gland. And the thyroid gland looks like a alphabet, capital H. The thyroid gland helps in the maintenance of human body growth, iodine maintenance, etc. Then coming on to the thyroid gland secretions. What are the hormones secreted from the thyroid gland? There are 3 hormones are secreted from thyroid gland, like T3, T4 and thyrocalcitonin. These are also helps in the metamorphosis of invertebrates, but it is not functional in vertebrates. Then coming on to the parathyroid gland. The parathyroid gland, these are 4 parathyroid gland. These black colored dots are indicating the parathyroid gland, which are situated on the thyroid gland, and it secretes 2 types of hormones like calcitonin and parathormone that maintains the bone calcium level and the blood calcium level inside our human body. Then coming on to the thymus gland. Thymus gland, what is the function of thymus gland? Now thymus gland helps in the growth of human body. About the age of 13, the thymus gland degenerated because the thymus gland function is functionless about the age of 18. So it is functional in the child or in the adolescent period. Next, coming on to the next endocrine gland, that is pancreas. What is the function of pancreas? Pancreas is also known as heterocrine gland. Why it is called heterocrine gland? Because the pancreas act both the exocrine gland and the endocrine gland. The exocrine part of the pancreas is pancreatic acynus, and the endocrine part of the pancreas is called islet of Langerhans. The islet of Langerhans secreted 3 types of hormones like glucagon, insulin, somatostatin, and pancreatic polypeptide. These are helps in glucose maintenance in the blood. Next, coming on to the adrenal gland, which are situated on the both the kidneys of human body, which is also known as 3F gland. Why it is called 3F gland? Because it secreted the hormones which helps in fright, flight, and fight. What are the hormones secreted from adrenal gland? That is glucocorticoid, mineralocorticoid, corticosterone, epinephrine, norepinephrine, etc. Then coming on to the male endocrine gland, or this is also called gonads. What is this? Now testes. Testes helps in the maintenance of male reproductive system, which secretes sperms and helps the male reproductive system. Then coming on to the female gonads, what is that? That is ovary. Ovary helps in secretion of estrogen and progesterone and helps in the reproductive health of female body. These are the all endocrine glands of human body which maintains our complete function of human body. Thank you.